Good morning, guys. 3 of the winter storm. I think they said we're going to get better tomorrow. I was able to save most of my vegetables, save my kale and my cabbage, my lettuce. I think they got damaged. But most of my vegetable I was able to save. I was not prepared for this winter storm. I just used the stuff that I had around in the house. I took everything that I had to try to cover it and save it. And I think I did okay. I'm going to be more prepared. I don't know what'll happen next, but I am going to get more prepared for we never had a winter storm like this in ages. I am going to purchase me some covers and stuff, and I'm going to keep it in the house because we don't know what else is going to happen. I was saved by the bell. Those are some spinach that I had just started. They looking pretty good. All of this is my lemon that fell off the tree. Take it and fold this container with it so that it will fertilize these trees. I didn't cover these trees up, but just leave those trees just the way it was. Ice had damaged the tree up top, but I don't believe it damaged the root. We'll see. This is my collards over here. Cold mood, I guess. I don't know what you call that. But anyway, and this is what is this? This is the broccoli, and that's the cabbage over there. I think they all will bounce back. I taken just water everything down, and tomorrow when it gets warmer, I'll straighten up my vegetable bed. I'll get in here and do some work and take out the bad ones that is frostbitten. I'll take all of that out and I'll clean it up. And over here, this is my tree collards. I think these right here had some ice on it, and you can see where they are burned. But other than that, I think I'm okay. And over here is my what is this? This is garlic over here. And you can see all the wheelbarrows still ice up, so we still have quite a bit of ice on the ground. And my hose, good thing I had another hose in the house. Green hose over there is frozen. It's ice in that. So I had another hose in the house, and I brought that out just to water the vegetables. But okay, guys, I'll keep you posted. Other than that, we were fine. I dripped my pipes on the outside. I also wrapped my pipes. I still have them dripping. I still got them dripping because it's still cold. But I just want to show you this. This was a lifesaver. I got this, and it's when you see things, you just put it over. Move my fingers out the way. I saw those in Walmart during the summertime, and I said I better get 2. And good thing I did that, because all the stores are out of the covers for your pipes. So okay, guys, I'll let you see what happened tomorrow, and I clean up everything, because I think it said it's going to be in the 70s. So we'll see. Okay, it's about 1 o'clock, and it's warming up, and we have some sunshine, and it feels pretty good out here. So you could see my kale is perking up and looking better. Over here, my tree collards look pretty good too, but I'm gonna have to work on them because I saw where at some point it got freezer burn on some of the plant. But yeah, guys, just want you to take a look now after we got some sun and it's warming up. I think we may be in the 40s, so the broccoli is looking good as well. These is a few Brussels sprout. They look well. They look good. And over here, the sun hasn't hit over here yet. It still has some shade over here, but my collards are looking better. So just wanted to show you this, that they looking better. Okay guys, I think this is day 3 after the winter storm, and I'm gonna attempt to sort of clean up my vegetable bed a little bit. Those vegetable which is frostbitten, I'm gonna just take them all up, you know, and clean up the rest of the bed all around it and stuff like that. So today is a pretty good day. We supposed to be getting some rain. I don't think so. We might, I don't know, sometime we don't get it over here. I'm going to attempt to finish up what I started. Clean up everything. Okay, these collards that has some freezer burn on them, I may clip them back, or I may leave some on it, because if you clip the vegetable back down to the stem, you won't get anything. So I may leave some of the bad leaves on. I don't know. I'll decide when I start working. Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay, guys, I'm gonna clean up this side. I done clean it up, and it started to rain, and I had to go back in the house. Just a little sprinkle, not a whole lot of rain. And so I'm finished. I have finished this bed right here. Now, some of my broccoli, the leaves are sort of white on the top, but I'm not going to worry about that. I'm just going to leave them alone and let Mother Nature complete. So I just wanted to let you see that I finished that side, and I have some of my bulbs are shooting up. Let's see if that's right there. Yeah, they're shooting up on the side. So, oh yeah. Okay, over here is I'm going to start over this area. I'm going to clip back as much of these frostbitten leaves as I can, and then come back and let you see what I have done. I'm gonna have to do it like that because my battery is low, so I need to charge up my phone. So, okay, guys, I'll see you in the next rounds. Okay, guys, I'm done. I did as much as I can on this bed because I didn't want to cut it back too much, because sometimes when you cut it back too much, it might die. So I leave some of the bad leaf on. And as new leaves begin to come on, then I'll cut these bad leaves off. So I watered everything down. And yeah, they're ready to go. Yeah, they're ready. Okay, over this side, I didn't have too much to do because they held up pretty good. Now, some of the broccoli and the greens have some whitish on the top, but that's okay. They still look good. So, yeah, guys, this is the end of this video. Before I end this video, I just wanted to show you the Brussels sprout. I gave them some water. I didn't have much to do over here. They held up real good. That is it, guys. I just want to thank you for watching. And I want to thank all my new subscribers. I see you out there. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And I hope everyone have a wonderful new year. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up, leave a comment.